Howdy ArtyAliens and welcome! I'm Paul Yateman. I draw stuff and lately I tend to post videos of everything I'm drawing. In today's video I am drawing a bunch of manga styled heads before exploring some different ideas. I will be presenting my video as a time-lapse. In real time this took me about 40 minutes. I started this series of drawings by putting down a few templates before fleshing things out. There were 3 circular heads and 2 oval heads. The first head is male, the second female. Head 3 I think is a grumpy female. The fourth head, which extends into a badly proportioned person, is supposed to be Trevor Goodchild from Eon Flux. Thanks to the only reference here being my memory, it's pretty bad. After using my 2mm mechanical pencil a lot, I'm finding I'm not a fan of the 0.5mm pencils so much these days. I find they tend to feel scratchy. I also find it interesting that about 20 years ago, besides using biros for most of my doodling, the main way I drew was with the 0.5mm pencil, and I didn't have any issues with them. Oh well, life has changed. For the fifth head, I decided to whack out a quick Predator helmet, again using memory as a reference. This one I don't think came out too bad. Perhaps some more rounding at the back where the dreadlocky things are, but otherwise, yeah, not too bad. I then try a couple of heads using no starter templates. The lanky haired fellow looks okay. The next drawing is yet again drawn from memory. This time I am having a go at Bash the Stampede from an anime series called Trigun. Not as wonky as it could have been. I'm thinking of doing Bash properly later in the month. To finish this drawing up, I grab my coloured Derwents and apply some colour, and then it's thumbs up time. Anywho, if you found this interesting, informative, entertaining, you got ideas for or were inspired to draw in your own sketchbook, etc., go like and share. If you were inspired to draw, share your results with me in the comments or on one of my social media outlets, as I'd be interested to see what you come up with. Until next time, you have been watching Drawing Self with me, Paul Yateman. Ciao, take care, and happy drawing.